arrived at Tanah Lot, Bali. Yay! Guys, so we are already arrived at Tanah Lot, Bali. Yay! First of all, let us introduce ourselves. We are from SMA Negeri 7 Surakarta from 11 Science Street.
My name is Anissa, number 5.
My name is Nukania, number 23. And my name is Cynthia, number 33.
And my name is Siska Khairunisa, number 34.
Tanah Lot is located in Brabant countryside, Kediri Subdistrict, and Tabanan Regency.
So here it is, the condition of Tanah Lot, Bali.
This place is well featured by the magnificent view of Indian Ocean with a temple on rock as center point. We can also see a holy snake in the cave in the front of the main temple. This is a highly venomous sea snake that has a color such as black and white circular rings on its body. Visitors can even touch this snake without worrying counterattack of the snake, and of course we will be accompanied by someone who understands the character of the snake.
Tanah Lot Bali, Temple on Rock. A sacred Hindu temple on the sea with magnificent view. Tanah Lot is a sacred Hindu temple complex situated on the rocky beach, west coastal side of Bali Island.
We visited Tanah Lot at about 7 a.m. When we visited Tanah Lot, there were a tidal wave, so the visitors were advised to be careful and keep away from the beach. When we visited there, the Tanah Lot had been used for a celebration of Tanah Lot Foundation. There were only a few of foreigner tourists since there were a travel warning due to coronavirus pandemic, and also only a few of local tourists who visited Tanah Lot.
Tanjung Benoa is a white sanded beach that is well known as the heaven of water sports in Bali. It is also famous for its beaches. It is located in Badung, Bali. Tanjung Benoa has various water sports. There are banana boats, parasailing, jet ski, snorkeling, scuba diving, and many others. There's an island nearby called Penyu Island where there's a big green turtles breeding. We can get there by a small ship that can load 10 people. On Penyu Island, there are many green turtles. Local people breed them from eggs. Green turtles there can reach the age of 100, but the oldest green turtle there is about 80 years old. There's also a mini zoo that keeps some reptiles, aves, and many others. Local people believe that visiting Penyu Island with your beloved one can last your relationship long. we visited Tanjung Benoa, it was sunny and hot as hell. There are several foreigners who enjoy the water sports, as well as there are also local tourists.
Puja Mandala is a rather vast complex of beautiful religious buildings in the area of the famous Nusa Dua Badung Regency, Bali. There were 5 places of worship of different religions in Puja Mandala, such as places of worship for Muslims, Christians, Catholics, Buddhists, and Hindus. The places of worship in Puja Mandala are Great Mosque of Ibnu Battuta, Catholic Church of Bunda Maria Segala Bangsa or Mother Maria of All Nations, Buddhist Monastery Puja Mandala Budinaguna, Protestant Christian Bukit Doa Church, and Kori Agung Nusa Dua Nata Jagatpura. Puja Mandala became a symbol of closeness between religious communities in order to coexist peacefully.
Pandawa Beach is located at Kutub Village, Badung Regency. In the past, this beach was hidden behind hills, so it was called Secret Beach. Formerly, Pandawa Beach was a hidden and secret beach that was very difficult to access because it's located in the deep valley and surrounded by the white stone cliff. But local people had the great inspiration to build their village. They worked together to break the cliff and make the good road and can be accessed by any vehicles. Since the access was created, many visitors from foreign country, either domestic, visit this beach every day. When we pass through the new access to Pandawa Beach, we will be provided a complimentary amazing view of white sandy beach with Indian Ocean just in front of it. On the way down to the beach, we will discover several caves with beautiful ornament of white stone statue taking the inspiration of Panca Pandawa, 5 big brothers from Mahabharata epoch. The statues are beautifully carved with Balinese ornament and to be one of spot for photo taking when visiting these sites.
Garuda Wisnu Kencana Cultural Park is sited on Limestone Plateau in Badung, Bali. There's a huge statue called Garuda Wisnu Kencana, which becomes the 3rd highest statue in the world. Garuda Wisnu Kencana statue is surrounded by more than 60 hectares of cultural park, including Wisnu Plaza and Garuda Plaza. There are amphitheater, culinary and shopping path of street theater, the main venue, Lotus Pond, Indraloka Garden, and boutiques and souvenir shops. We watched traditional Balinese performance at amphitheater. Garuda Wisnu Kencana statue depicts the Hindu god Vishnu riding on his winged mount Garuda. There are also a 7-feet Vishnu statue at Plaza Vishnu and a Garuda's head statue at Plaza Garuda. All of the statues were carved by Indonesian finest sculptor Nyoman Nuarta. When we visited GWK, It was cloudy. It started to rain when we were walking to the main plaza.
Hello guys, so we are already at Panglipuran Village. This is a traditional village that there are many houses. Panglipuran Village is one of the tourism objects in Bali. It's located in Bangli Regency. Once we entered the area of Panglipuran, the first thing that is able to be seen is a big gateway covered with bamboo inscribed "Welcome to the Panglipuran Village." It becomes the first greetings when entering Panglipuran Village. After entering the main gate, we will see the very beautiful clean village with very special layout. The people's houses are divided into two lines, the west line and the east line. Between west line and east line, there is the gate door mutual face. The gateway form of people's houses is similar. It is covered by bamboos with the wall is made of brown soil. The main road of this village is made of special material called paving. There is a signature drink called Loh Chum Chum. Loh Chum Chum is the traditional drink that is made by chum leaves, chili, salt, and other ingredients. Local people say that making Loh Chum Chum is similar with making rujak.
Mengurai panas jangan.
Tapi
Halal. Udah dapat ada izin kok udah direstuin.
Oh iya.
Airnya air bersih yang
Berarti
tadi
rempah
tulis.
gitu ya?
Ya, entah juga pakai rempah.
Iya.
Pakai itulah cabai, garam kayak buat rujak gitu. Rujak.
Kuta is a very beautiful beach. Kuta Beach, located in Badung Regency. Kuta is very popular both in Indonesia and international. In Kuta Beach, there are various facilities, including accommodation, restaurant, bar, as well as a very famous surfing spots in the world. Kuta Beach is famous for having good waves for surfing. In addition to the beauty of the beach, Kuta Beach tourism also offers various types of entertainment, such as bars, restaurants, shops, hotels, and grocery stores, as well as street vendors along the beach to Legion Beach. We have to ride a shuttle to reach Kuta because the road is too small for buses to pass. It takes about 10 minutes from bus parking lot to Kuta Beach. When we visited Kuta, it was rainy, so that we walked to beach walk from Kuta to shelter.
Bedugul Bali. Bedugul Bali tourist spot. One of the 10 favorite and foremost attraction in Bali, most frequented by tourists. If you notice, most of the profit Bali travel package will surely offer travel package to Bedugul tourist attraction. Bedugul tourist attraction found in the natural scenic beauty of the mountain area and view of natural lakes.
Enjoying the view here. There is such a huge lake. The driver said that there is a natural lake that is formed naturally by nature. It is located up on the hill. I think that's all from us. Thank you. Bye.
There are places Bedugul Tabanan holiday travelers who usually visit, namely 1. Attraction Ulun Danu Baratan Lake Temple is located in the middle of the lake, iconic tourist spot in Bali. 2. Jogalwood, a place to buy souvenir typical of Bali. 3. Traditional market Candi Kuning.